hope everyone had a great time celebrating Diwali with their friends and family. If there is any time we need to celebrate light over darkness, it's 2020. Don't you agree? It's a beautiful morning here in Jamaica. The sky is blue, the sun is shining, and we are getting our day started here. So I already started to cook, and last night we made a whole set of stuff. I'm going to show you guys some footage of that now. It's the night before Diwali, and Giovanna is here hard at work. She is making Dhalpuri Roti. It's, for those guys who don't know, it's roti where you take grind down little yellow split peas and you put it into the roti and we make it. So we're starting that process and we'll continue. Giovanna is a professional businesswoman. Barfi. Well, it's still a little before lunch and we're still making stuff on Diwali day. Vani is making gulab jamun.
Yeah.
We're rolling it out and then we'll fry it. So continuing all the cooking and whatnot, we here making the channa and aloo, which is curried chickpeas and potato. This is what we'll eat with the roti we cooked last night. So we have our diyas here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wash them out and put them to soak a little bit so the oil doesn't soak into them when we put it on later. The afternoon, nice calm moment, a little after 5, you know, we're getting ready to go and light the diyas and things just now. It's always good to sit and reflect on the meaning of these celebrations, not just do the traditions. You know, this is really light over darkness, and my God, we need, you know, we really need that kind of good positive vibes, you know, like positivity over negativity. It's so easy to get negative. Especially yesterday I got some terrible news about a member of my family that I lost, a cousin of mine, and it just makes you reflect. You might think things are so bad and why things are so negative, and then you're reminded it could be much worse. So be thankful. You know, at these times, Diwali and all of these festivals, it's good family times. I'm very thankful I have my daughter with me. I don't have to be here alone, especially for an occasion like Diwali. And you know, my thoughts go to my extended family with that reminder of how mortal we are. This Diwali took on a different meaning. It's just a reminder of, in times like this, to really take advantage of the family aspect of it. All right? So you saw a video of us preparing food all day. Okay, so let's go over what we have. We have here Dhalpuri Roti. We have channa and aloo in the pot here. I'm going to eat some just now. And of course we have some traditional sweets. It's not just about the savory food. So if you look here, we have, what is it?
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun, made by Giovanna. Yeah, barfi, again made by Giovanna. Looks quite professional, doesn't it? We have ladoo and we have rasgulla. In India, I think they call this gulab jamun, right? Yeah. But in Trinidad, we call this rasgulla. So we have our traditional Indian sweets also. Again, it's all about trying to still have that traditional Trinidadian Diwali best we can here in Jamaica. All right, that's it. As you saw, we prepared the best we can to have a Diwali here in Jamaica. I know in the last Diwali video you saw last year, you realized it doesn't have much in Montego Bay, and it's even worse now because of the pandemic, but we're trying our best. Did you have a good time, Vani?
Very good time.
You're feeling like Diwali, right?
Yep.
Yes. All right, so we have some food we're going to eat, but we're going to wrap it up here. So from my family, me and my daughter, I want to wish everyone a happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Okay? Bye.